So we have moved to Leeds. You might all think that we're crazy moving out of the Lake District. So the reason why I haven't been uploading anything lately is because we moved out of the Lake District and it was a very long process. First of all, having to look for jobs and preparing for new jobs, having to do like goals and like on personal development plans and stuff like that. And looking for a job wasn't that easy as well. I had interviews and luckily I did get it and we managed to move here. And moving to Leeds literally took us about a whole month. So from the day that we found a house, it was also the day that we had to pay our last rent in the old house, so we had to quickly call our agent and let them know that we'll be moving out, and then we had 1 month to sort everything here. Unfortunately, with this new house, they had a few like electrical problems, so they couldn't give insurance, so it took another 2 weeks until we sorted that. In the meantime, we had to come and see the house and then come again and then sign paper and then come and get the keys, and so it was a lot of back and forth. We had days when we had to come to Leeds and then in the afternoon go to work. So it was like 4 hours driving plus like an hour or two here sorting things. So we were waking up at like 5 in the morning and then finishing work at like 11 in the night. So it was really stressful. It was very tiring, but we managed to come here and in the end everything worked out fine. And welcome to our new house. And our lovely garden, which we have a lot of work to do in. And then here is the living room. Creepy basement. Ooh. To our master bedroom. And then here is one of the offices. Next office. And the bathroom, which has a lovely shower, rain shower head. And a tub and a towelly warmer. But then on the first day we moved here, I saw that the weather will change and will start raining in the afternoon, so we were rushing to come here so we can unpack our car before it started to rain, and it actually started snowing. It got really cold really fast. In our previous house, we basically sold all our old furniture or gave it away. I went through all of my belongings and Chris's belongings and we gave loads of it to charity. Only brought with us things that we always use. We've only came with one van, and then because we had to come a few times to see the house and to like sign the contracts and to sort a few things out, we kept bringing with our own car. So you might think that we were either very brave or very stupid because we sold all of our furniture. The only things that we did bring with us, as in furniture wise, was my desk with my desk chair, part of Chris's desk and his desk chair, and then one piece of furniture which was just like some shelves, and then everything else we sold. That's including our fridge, washing machine and our bed. So we arrived here on a Saturday and we slept on one of those air mattresses, and then on Sunday we got our new mattress. So we bought a mattress from Emma, which is absolutely amazing. We were lucky to get a 40% off because it was around Easter holidays. We also bought 2 pillows with it. I've been having a lot of back problems, and I can say that the Emma mattress really helped me out with that. So from the first night sleeping on it, I couldn't believe the next day how like fresh I felt, and my back didn't hurt, and it just was a really good night's sleep. So I'm really happy with that purchase. We didn't have a frame bed, so for the first week or week and a half we slept basically, we put it on the floor. Ta-da!
I'll break the box before. Yay!
Full. Nice and soft. Need to inflate as well. Oh, this one's already quite thick, see? Mattress.
Mattress.
Pillows. So on Sunday we got the mattress. On Monday we bought Chris's desk from Ikea. Bye bye tiny desk. So we just came home from Ikea and we are getting rid of this tiny little desk and finally installing his man cave desk.
Man cave desk.
Man cave desk. Do you need any help?
No. Okay.
Cool. Ta-da-dum! Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta!
Freddy.
Freddy. You ready?
Yes.
Chris is saying that he's not happy doing it by himself. He's happy with two people. So, very organized. Starting with the first line, we have them here. Second, third line, we have those. And then we have these. And this on the bottom, all organized here. Exactly like in the picture. What can go wrong?
Nah.
Brute power example here. All sorted. Is it that heavy? But all finished. No, you happy?
Yes.
Like a pose. We bought fridge and washing machine, but we didn't want to buy them too soon because we weren't here and we didn't know at what time they would come, because they were giving us like time slots in between 7 in the morning and like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So obviously we couldn't stay here for a whole day because we were also working. So we only bought them after we moved in, and they came. So we moved in on Saturday and the washing machine and fridge came on Tuesday. Whee! It's like when you peel from a brand new phone.
Yeah.
And on Wednesday, I think, I'm not sure, we went to Ikea and we bought a chest of drawers, which we built. Unfortunately, because we have a small car, we can't buy anything bigger than that because it doesn't fit in our car, so we had to order. And then because of, well, COVID, a lot of the companies that we really liked the furniture were only delivering in like a month or two, which is very annoying and stressful. I couldn't believe that. And on their website it says like 2 to 10 days, and I was thinking that we can stay for like a week or two without big furniture, it's fine. But then when you check out, it actually says that it's a minimum of 4 or 5 weeks, which I was really gobsmacked. So our living room looks something like this. The bed frame came, I think, after a couple of weeks. All done. So when I came here, I had 1 week of holiday, and then the next week I started my job. Unfortunately, Chris wasn't able to move with his companies again. We had a lot of problems with everything. Nothing was really that easy and smooth. I will make more videos about it if you are interested. and Chris is currently still looking for a job here. So no one lived in this house for 16 months, and then before that there was an old lady that she lived here for approximately 40 years, and she liked to collect a lot of stuff. She didn't really probably also didn't have the strength to take care of the garden or anything. So basically the garden looks like a jungle. Everything grew however the nature wanted it. And so we started doing a bit of gardening here, which I think is actually quite therapeutic. It's a lot of work to do there, so I'm very excited to see how it will look after it's all finished. So again, stay tuned for that if you are interested. Right, so I thought I'll do a bit of gardening, and I started off with this little bush here, and then I trimmed all of those there, and I was quite impressed with myself, and I was like, oh, I'm making quite a bit of pile here. And then we did all of that. Loads to do. And I don't know if you can tell, but there was actually a pond there, which hopefully at one point we'll get to it. First we need to go through all of these. So then all of this here, hello, was this tree here, which is gone. And then loads to go. There's some really nice trees like this one here, right? But most of them will be going. And we keep finding little treasures in the garden. We didn't have to buy any tools at this rate. We'll have everything. The garden looks so massive now. But this is how much we collected today. Ooh. Hello. So I will start posting more videos about our moving journey and changes in the house. We did in the meantime bought some new pieces of furniture, which I will show you in the next video. Some of them still have to arrive. So if Chris basically would have also been able to transfer with his company, I would have probably bought all the furniture in the first week. But because of that, we are just playing it safe, so we're just like buying one item at a time so that we don't go too much into our savings. So I will still be traveling to the Lake District. We do have a lot of friends there. I've been living there for nearly 7 years now. It would have been 7 years this summer. Chris has been living there for like 11 years or so, I don't know, 10, 11 years. So obviously in that time we made a lot of friends, and it's not really that far away. It's like a couple of hours away. So we will be going there to visit some more. I will actually be going there this month as well for a day. So I will be making more videos about the Lake District as well. But now we get to explore more of Yorkshire, which is absolutely stunning. I've been in the north in some of the villages and they are amazing. I want to go to York as well, and obviously we will be exploring a lot of Leeds. If you have any recommendations, leave them down below. I am really excited to go and see more places and film and share with everyone. So if you have any recommendations of where to go, what to visit, what to explore, please let it a comment down below. That is all for today. I am working full-time, so I can't really have yet a very stable date when I will be posting. I will try to post a few times a month. Ideally it will be weekly, but I can't really promise that, but I will try to post at least every couple of weeks. Let me know what you guys think, and see you next time. Bye!